In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chatgpt-4o in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned AI enthusiast or new to the world of artificial intelligence, this guide will walk you through downloading and installing this incredible desktop app on your computer. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First things first, head over to ChatGPT. Open up your web browser and type in the ChatGPT website's URL or find it through a quick search. Once you're there, you'll notice the interface is pretty user-friendly, which is always a plus. Next, keep an eye out for a button that says Download the Desktop app. It should be prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this button will begin the download process. It's straightforward, but just in case you need reassurance, remember that this step is just like downloading any other application. No surprises here. Once you click that button, you'll be prompted to choose your operating system. You'll need to specify whether you're downloading the app for Windows or Mac. Make sure to select the correct option corresponding to the computer you're using. This choice is crucial because it ensures you get the version that's fully compatible with your system, allowing the app to run smoothly without any hitches. After you've selected your operating system, the download will commence. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few minutes, so hang tight. Once it's completed, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files by default. You should see the installer file there. The next step is the installation. You'll want to double-click on the installer file to get started. If you've ever installed software before, this will feel familiar. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts as they guide you through the setup process. This typically involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing the installation location, though the default location is usually just fine for most users. With the installation complete, launch the application. This is when you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, don't worry. There's an option to create a new account. The sign-up process is typically straightforward. Just fill in the necessary details and you'll be good to go. And that's it. You've successfully installed Chatgpt-4o and you're ready to start exploring its features. Dive into the world of AI, ask it questions, or maybe even just have a chat. The possibilities are endless, and it's all at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your journey with Chatgpt-4o.